Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. All right, so first up, go ahead and right click on your start menu, right click on it, and then just go ahead over to settings. Okay, so click on settings, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you could go ahead over to the left panel. And here we have personalization. So just click on it. Now in here, you're going to find colors. Okay, so just click on colors. And here we have choose your mode. Now here we have the drop down. As you can see, I'm currently rocking the light mode. You can go ahead and use dark or custom. Now let's just go ahead and test custom in here. As you can see, choose your default Windows mode. Also, you can choose your default app mode. So Windows mode, what it meant is right here, your Windows interface. Now your app mode, for example, you're trying to open up a web browser. So this is it. Okay. Or if you want to, you can just go ahead and enable dark mode for all. So there you go. That's how easy it is to enable dark mode in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.